Here in the U.S., we are in the middle of a drug overdose epidemic. In response, states are increasingly passing new laws to prosecute drug dealers for homicide and overdose cases. The Action News Investigative Team dug into court documents to find out who is prosecuting dealers here in our area. Here's investigative reporter Chad Perdelli.
But he just filled up a room.
Leonard and Carol Warren know the pain of addiction.
No matter what anybody tells you, it doesn't get better with time.
Son Matt died from a fentanyl overdose in Narberth in 2020. Their oldest and only other child, David, overdosed 2 years later in Tennessee.
We're seeing them.
Montgomery County District Attorney Kevin Steele charged Matt's dealer with drug delivery resulting in death. David's dealer was never found.
It means everything, because Matt's life mattered.
We're investigating every overdose as a potential homicide.
Steele says his office has been focused on taking down those who sell poison on the streets, and the numbers bear out. We found Bucks County had the most drug overdose homicide prosecutions in our area from 2018 through 2023 with 39, followed by Montgomery County with 34 and Burlington County, New Jersey with 24. At the bottom, Camden with just 3, and Philadelphia, home to the East Coast's largest open-air drug market, with 7.
They are pushing their drugs to make money. Greed. Those are the people that we are looking at for this charge.
The Camden County Prosecutor's Office said in a statement, Camden City's open-air drug markets present obstacles in determining who sold overdose victims the narcotics. Philadelphia District Attorney Larry Krasner says he considers every case brought to his office, but overall, drug sale charges have plummeted under his leadership.
Do you think, though, more of those cases could be brought? I think that if law enforcement brings solid evidence showing mental states that make this appropriate, more cases could be brought, but we're not going to make it up.
Steele says his office focuses on dealers, not addicts sharing drugs. In almost all of the cases, the defendant pleaded guilty and were sentenced to prison. Steele says building a case can be difficult. There needs to be a trail, often electronically. And making the cases even more difficult, overdose victims often have a combination of various drugs.
Where it gets a little more difficult is seeing what those drugs are and working with the pathologist along those lines.
In Matt's overdose, the 31-year-old took an Uber to Kensington. On his way home to Narberth, he lost consciousness. The Uber driver called 911. He pulled over at Conshohocken State Road and St. Asaph's in Bala Cynwyd. He was rushed to Lincoln Hospital.
And they were trying to resuscitate him. They worked for, 45 minutes. They looked at me and I said, okay. And they stopped the resuscitation.
We were able to spend probably an hour with him before the medical
The
coroner came for him.
Tracking cell phone transactions and communications, Steele charged Jessica Lopez of Kensington. She pleaded guilty and was sentenced to 4 to 8 years in prison. The drugs Matt ingested tested positive for fentanyl, heroin, and xylazine, an animal tranquilizer.
Bigger than life, as you can see.
Matt's parents questioned whether Lopez would have been prosecuted had the driver pulled over in Philadelphia.
We were told there would have been nothing done.
We would know nothing.
They said it was a matter of 2 or 3 blocks that he was into Montgomery County.
And critics say homicide charges and stiffer sentences are ineffective in the war on drugs and prevent people from reporting overdoses. But Steele says a Good Samaritan law provides protections to reporting overdoses. I'm Action News investigative reporter Chad Perdelli, Channel 6 Action News.